Welcome back. Anti-Burglary Cell of Goa police has arrested a burglar and recovered stolen item worth 30 lakh rupees. Police claim to have solved 12 cases of housebreaking and burglaries. Police informed that accused Abdul Aziz has good knowledge of electronic hardware and uses his expertise to steal electronic gadgets.
Anti-Burglary Cell of Goa police have recovered 93 stolen electronic items from the possession of accused Abdul Aziz. Accused Abdul Aziz is a native of Kerala and had come to Goa in February. He committed crime of housebreaking and burglaries. Police claim that he has committed crime in both North and South Goa.
The value should be around 30 lakhs approximately, plus minus some 5-10,000. Basically, this accused has got some knowledge of hardware of computers, so he was able to dismantle and fit in the different items and sell it or dispose it of. And that is his main item. He used to move around at night. In a couple of places we have caught him on CCTV also, so there is a strong evidence with us. He was staying in Goa with his family, a wife and 2 children. At night he used to go out, commit offences of housebreaking and theft. And at the time of disposal he used to take his wife along, so everybody would think that he is a genuine person in distress trying to sell things.
Accused Abdul Aziz had come on police's radar in first week of May when he hired a car to go to his native place. But he did not return the car on scheduled date. The car owner complained with the police, and with the help of Kerala police he was apprehended.
Somewhere in the first week of May he went back from Goa to Kerala. He had hired one car here for this purpose, and thereafter he was not returning the car. So we basically was trying to search him, and we located him somewhere in Kerala, and with the help of Kerala police we arrested him and brought to Goa, and this recovery was effected. Around 12 cases, 12 of North Goa and 1 of South Goa are detected in this case, all housebreaking.
Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Sushant Paul for Prudent.
Residents of Rumdamal Daburlim Panchayat are looking forward for garbage-free village as Panchayat gets new rickshaw for collection of garbage. Fisheries Minister and Navalim MLA Avartano Fatado says that required funds will be allotted to Panchayat to tackle garbage menace.
Every panchayat आता एक रिक्षा असतो. I'll start garbage collection very soon. कित्याक funds येता आमकां for garbage collection. So they will start garbage collection. And door to door केशी घेवपा start करता garbage. Plant setup segregation कोण we are trying because the wet waste are no. तेज manure करपा try करतले आमी. आणि plastic आहा ते बी ते carry करतले. So garbage कितें कोण I will try to clear and make Navili garbage free anyhow.
आमची गांव साफ करपा जाय कितें जाल्यार आमची सोल्यूशन आमी करपाकूच जाय त्या प्रमाणे आमचे लेबर घेवन आमी ते हें करता आतां रिक्षा प्लांट फिट करता हय आतां इन फ्युचर आमकां प्लांट आतां रिक्षा आयली जर प्लांट हें करपाक जाय आनी मेन सेग्रिगेशन करून जर केलें जाल्यार आमचे प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व जाता रिक्षा आमकां मेन गरजेची कितें आशिल्ली कित्याक आमची लेबर्स आहा ते मॅन्युअली तांकां लोगोन व्हरपा पडटालें वेल्युएशनान गिफ्ट केल्या पंचायतीक जाल्यार मेंटेनन्स बी आमी पळोवपाकूच जाय इतले आतां हें कितें बरें कामाक लागून दिल्या ते मेंटेनन्स जर पंचायतीन जर घेवपाकूच जाय आमी ते रेजोल्युशन हें सगळे फॉरवर्ड करतले बिडिओक आनी सगळे आमी वेवस्थीत पास करून येतले.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.